Cooking with my mom.
Fideo. Sopa.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm using my kitchen for the first time.
She's using it.
Just kidding. My mom is using my kitchen. I've used it to make like eggs, burritos in this. Put eggs on here and then cream of wheat. Some, you know.
Today I'm just making fideo.
So my mama's gonna make some fideos just today. Something quick. I love fideo. I love it. So I've been asking her to make it.
Oh, you love your mom's fideo.
That's true. I love my mom's fideo. So I asked her to make it for me. And Reggie, but Reggie's like not here. He said, I'll come in a little. Save me some.
Is that what he said?
Yeah. He don't want to come and experience. Okay, so we're gonna teach y'all how to make fideo.
My secret recipe. It's all made the same.
I know. I was like, huh? So what you need is some fideo noodles. They have these at the store. There's different kinds. You can get this kind. You just need the itty bitty skinny noodles that are cut short. And then you're gonna need some tomato sauce. We get this kind. You could get Hunt's too, but you don't need all three of these. I just have 3 of them because that's what I bought. And then you'll get some Crisco oil and you put it on your elbows.
And your upper lip.
So you put that on your elbows, and then you also get a little bit, put it in the pan.
Yeah.
And then after you put it in the pan, you put the fideo noodles in there, and then you brown them.
You want to make sure you stay close to the stove.
So you keep stirring it. You just sit here and keep stirring it, okay?
I use this instead of a spoon because it's so much easier. Yeah.
Oh yeah, because it's easier to pick it up, right?
Yeah.
So you just do the, look at the flick of the wrist. Look at the flick of the wrist. Look at the flick of the wrist. Okay, so this is what it shall look like.
Well, you have to
browned with oily, so it should look really crisp, like people who sit out in the sun all day long with a lot of body oils.
And how I want my tan to look.
And then you get some hot water and you fill it. You cover it. I know that. You make sure to cover the top. Watch out because it's popping. So you want to cover the top. Make sure there's a little bit. Make sure it's all covered, right?
Mm-hmm.
You're supposed to be telling them.
No, you're
I'm the moderator?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're doing good.
Narrator or moderator? Narrator? Okay.
Narrator.
So you do this.
You're gonna get
Then you're gonna get the tomato sauce. This right here, the secret ingredient. You gotta clean the top because there's rats in stores, and then you never know if they crawl on top of it, and then you pop it in, and the rat juice is all inside of the tomato juice.
Probably only gonna use half of this.
Okay, yeah, because it's a big, but I want it tomatoey.
Oh, you want it really tomatoey?
Not super tomatoey, but a lot of tomatoey.
Okay, well.
Maybe like a quarter, leave a quarter out, right?
We'll see.
We'll see. So you pour the tomato sauce in. Ooh. Ooh.
Make it red.
Make it red. Make it look just like blood. We eating the blood of the haters. Yeah. Tomato sauce.
And I never measure how much salt.
Yeah, she never measures. So, therefore, whenever I wanted to know how to make this, I literally couldn't. And I keep trying. I just can't make it.
This is my measuring. I just kind of
sprinkle. Just sprinkles in there, sprinkles on. So you put some pepper in it, okay? Okay, and then you sprinkle some salt in there. Just sprinkle. I don't know how much to tell y'all, so this ain't really a tutorial. I mean, it's kind of a tutorial, but
to your liking. If
you
you like salt, you put salt. If you don't like a whole lot of salt, you just sprinkle.
Just sprinkle it.
Oh, and don't forget to.
Oh yeah, Mom, it's like this. Ready? Like that.
No, I was throwing some over my shoulder.
Well, you only throw it over your shoulder if you spill it.
I did, right here.
Oh yeah, throw it. Oh, so that's next 2 items are garlic powder and ground cumin. Thanks, Mom. I was showing them a tutorial.
There you go.
Garlic powder ground come in, okay? There we go. So you just eyeball it again. I wish I knew some measurements for you guys, but this is Pancha. This is the way she cooks.
It's you gotta go by the smell.
Okay. True Mexicans. We just go by the smell. When it smells right, it's right.
Smell it.
Let me smell it.
It's right.
Mm-hmm.
Is it right?
It's right. You turn it down.
You want to bring it to a boil.
Oh,
first,
bring it to a boil.
and then you.
And then you bring it to a boil. Now it's all chilling a little bit.
That's enough.
Yeah, I was like, no, no, no.
That's enough.
So after you bring it to a boil, you gotta get a lid and you let it simmer.
And you turn it, once it boils, you turn it
back down. And then you just leave it alone with occasional stirs, right? No, not really.
Every now and again, make sure it doesn't stick.
Okay.
And that's that.
And that's that. That's how you make fideo. What's my mom gonna make next? I don't know, but I'm gonna film it. Cooking with Mom and Jazz.
Cooking with Mom while Jasmine videotapes.
Yep.
Learning to cook.
Learning to cook.
Time. I'm so sorry, baby. I apologize that I never had you in the kitchen.
She just had me taste.
You were my tester.
That was it. I really love the red sauce of the enchiladas with the little tortilla.
And guess what? You were the only one that ever got it. So that's
it's her fault
that she can't cook. I would always be like, get right out of my kitchen.
Yeah, she did not want us near. Yeah, you're in my way. I come and help. Can you just leave? And I'm like, I just want to learn how to cook. I just want to learn how to cook for my future family. Now I'm gonna have to Postmates for them and make them ramen noodles.
Or keep videotaping and keep them.
Or they can learn how to cook very young and they can cook for me.
That is true. That'll work.
I'll give you a hand.
How about two?
You need a hand, Mom? Mom, you need a hand?
Sure.
Oh, just testing, just seeing how it looks. Just test. Oh, it's great. Okay, good. Doing great, honey. Here's one of the occasional stirs. Oh, it's looking so good.
Yeah, you just kind of
let it do its thing, you know? Let it do its thing. Let it do its thing. Thing. Look what I found in the food. Whose nails are It's
not mine.
Mom. I found it in the food. No, I'm just kidding.
I just peeled it off.
She just pulled it off, so I wanted to pretend.
There's time for them to come off.
It's time for them to come off. It's so bright in here. Yo, I'm such a chef. Y'all don't even know. It smells so good in here. What I cooked is amazing. She walked away so quick. She's like, anyway. Yo, I made these beans handmade, but I just canned them myself. I'm just so good at it, you know? Who wants to buy my beans? I'm gonna sell them soon.
They're coming out.
Coming out ASAP, called Jasmine beans.
Sure.
Oh man. If y'all don't know what fideo is, you is missing out. Look at that. Ah! So you basically just let it go. You put this cover on so the water goes away, so the juice soaks in those.
Well, it depends. Some people like it juicy, and then some people like it dry. So it just depends.
I like it right before it gets dry.
Right.
Yeah.
So some people like it like this.
Eat it like this, yeah.
As a soup. Sopa.
Yep. But I like my noodles dry, like your personality. I'm just kidding. I stole that from Reggie. Oh, but I like my noodles dry like your jokes.
Yeah, that one.
What did you just say?
I said my jokes are so dry they squeak.
They squeak. Okay, squeaky squeak.
I was gonna do some dance.
Oh, do the moonwalk.
I can't.
Ready? Should I grease up the floor?
Huh?
Should I grease up the floor? No, moonwalk. Moonwalk, come
You
on.
don't want none of this, huh?
Oh, she wants a dance battle?
What? You want a dance battle?
Okay, let's go. Go.
What?
Show me what you got. Show me what you got for a
remember.
po chop. Show me what you got for a po chop. Hey.
Hey.
Hey. Ooh, shoulders, shoulders. Go do the moonwalk. I'm waiting for it.
It's been a long time.
Eee. Hey. It's because the floor's not very slippery.
I just pretend.
Ooh, my turn. My turn. I'm about to battle you.
Oh, dance battle? And the while the fideo burns. Oh, we're about to do that? Gotcha. My turn.
Word.
Huh?
Ooh. Ooh.
What?
Ooh. Oh, don't do that. Ah, drop the splits. Ah, the kitchen's big enough. Okay, so this is how I like the fideo. Like a little, like most of the juice is gone, but still a little bit of juices.
And it's still going to continue.
It's still going to continue. We turned it off now, but it's going to go a little bit less juicy. It's time to do the tortillas. You know, we make homemade tortillas up in here. Hide the bag. Hide it. Okay, anyway, we're about to make some. I made these tortillas with my own hands and sweat. Ooh, almost off the camera. I made these tortillas with my own hands, tears, and sweat.
And then you bag them up.
And then I bagged them up. See my perfect tortillas that I made? Like, I'm just so good. Where is Reggie at?
He's not answering.
He not an oh.
He's
Oh,
singing.
he doesn't want fideo.
Oh.
Oh, you want to call back? Hi. Are you gonna come and eat, or are you gonna come later?
I'm gonna come later.
Okay, well it's done.
Okay, I eat for that all the time. I'm gonna get some.
But you don't eat your mom's fideo all the time.
I know, I got used to my own that I make.
Oh yeah?
Reggie actually cooks it pretty good.
Well, lucky you.
I do actually.
I'm filming you.
Oh shit. Hi everybody, I'm a nice guy.
I want my mom's fideo.
I'll come get some soon. Bye.
Okay, bye.
And the last person here does the dishes.
Ah, that's what that means. Oh wow, look at all these tortillas we just made by hand.
You're so good.
So crisp.
You see how it dry?
Yep. It's so good. Wait, where's the thing at?
I just moved it.
Why you put it in the sink?
Well, no, because that's just to stir.
Oh, okay. There. I'm gonna eat it all too.
Just getting beans
I made them by hand.
with your little hands.
And now my tortillas.
Oh, she is so ready. Oh, the
Time to eat. Look how I just love fideo. I don't even need a fork because this is my fork.
Oh, you eat like a real
Mexicano. Let's see.
Was it a yay?
It's a yeah. It's a good.
We didn't bless our food.
Now we back at it. Ooh, I
That
just
means
love
it's good.
my mini burritos. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me cooking my mom a gourmet meal. Just kidding. We flew her out here just so she can cook for me.
Yep.
I'm just kidding.
That's
As
about
soon as she
right.
came, I'm like, can you make this?
Pulled out a whole list like this.
Anyway,
Thanks for watching.
thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. And if you make some fideo, let me know. Let us know.
Let us know.
Bye.
Bye.